Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So today in this video I've got something new to show you. It's a brand new soundbar from Xiaomi. A lot of my subscribers were asking me to make a video on budget soundbars under 10,000 rupees. That's why I thought, why not, let's check out that brand new soundbar from Xiaomi. So the Mi soundbar comes in this sort of box packing. It's a simple cardboard box guys. In this video we'll be unboxing this and checking out all of its features. So let's get started with the video. So here is the Xiaomi soundbar. It comes in this sort of box packing. It's a simple cardboard box. On the front you can see a picture of the soundbar, and below that you've got the different connectivity options supported by the soundbar. It has Bluetooth, aux, line-in, SPDIF and even optical mode. So that's pretty much it about the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape on the box. I want to thank Banggood for sending me this product for review. Also guys, Banggood is celebrating their 12th anniversary and have a lot of discounts on products right now. So make sure to visit their website. I'll leave links in the description box below. So let's open the box and check out the Mi soundbar. The soundbar comes nicely packed in this thermocol. Looks like we've got some paperwork here. It's a user manual. Just make sure to read that for all the info on the product. Along with that, you've got some accessories here. Let me show them to you. You get a free coaxial cable with the soundbar and some screws for wall mounting this product. Yes, you can even wall mount this soundbar. So these were all the accessories in the box. Let's take the soundbar out. So here it is, and along with that you also get this AC power adapter in the box. Now let's finally check out the Mi soundbar. It's a 33-inch Bluetooth soundbar for TVs and comes nicely packed like this. It's really long guys and weighs a bit heavy in the hand for a soundbar. It weighs around 1.92 kgs. Let's remove this outer cover. Here it is guys, our brand new Xiaomi's 33-inch TV soundbar. Wow, the design looks very premium. It has a nice white and grey color combination and love the fabric finish on the front. Looks very decent and premium. The build quality of this product is top notch. I have to tell, I'm quite impressed by the looks. The Xiaomi soundbar has 8 sound units on it to produce natural sounding audio. It's got 2 20-core dome tweeters, 2 2.5-inch woofers and 4 passive bass radiators. It's a 2-channel soundbar and can produce a max output of 28 watts. The frequency response range is from 50 Hz to 25 kHz. The impedance is 6 ohms and supports Bluetooth version 4.2. At the top of the soundbar you've got the control panel. There's a volume up and volume down buttons on the extreme ends, and in between you've got the mode select buttons, which include Bluetooth, aux, line-in, SPDIF and optical. The quality of the buttons is very nice, they feel tactile and clicky. Now let me show you the different connectivity ports at the back. So this is how the back side looks like. You've got a power button here to turn on the soundbar, and above that you've got all the connectivity ports. There's a DC in port, an optical port, SPDIF in, line-in and an aux port. So these were all the different connectivity methods you can use with the soundbar. Now let me connect it to my TV and show you how it looks like. Alright guys, I've connected the Mi soundbar to my TV and this is how it looks like. Now one thing you can observe is that since the soundbar is a bit tall, it is covering the lower portion of most of the TVs. So it can be a bit annoying sometimes. This soundbar will go well with wall mounted TVs. Also it comes only in white color. I would have loved to see a black color variant as it would blend nicely with the setup. Now let me just play some music and show you how the audio sounds like. The audio quality was really good, the mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, you can clearly understand the dialogues, the treble quality was also good. I've even watched up to 2 to 3 movies on it, the experience was nice, but I can say that it's not the best soundbar I've seen in this price range. Talking about the bass was good. The passive bass radiators were definitely producing deep bass. But you need to keep one thing in mind, that the bass will not be as good as a dedicated subwoofer would produce. Coming to the audio output, it could produce a max output of only 28 watts. The output was not that high, I felt it was limited. It will be sufficient only for listening in small rooms. And also beyond 85% volume level, there was slight distortion in the audio. Let me also play a video clip and show you how the dialogues sound like. Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be super awesome because I have something exciting to show you all. A few days ago I posted a poll on my YouTube community that I wanted to buy a new bike for city riding, you know. I already have my Bullseye and Harley, but I wanted something small and powerful and easy to ride in my city. That's why I made my decision and bought a new bike. The bike I bought is, I won't tell you, I'll show it to you. On the overall, the audio quality on the Xiaomi soundbar was really nice, but the output was not that high. So that was my review on the Xiaomi's 33-inch TV soundbar. It looks awesome, the build quality is nice and also has wide connectivity options. The audio quality is definitely better than your TV's built-in speakers, but compared to the other soundbars, I felt it could have been improved. Also, if the company could provide a remote control for the soundbar, it would have been awesome. It costs around 7 to 8,000 rupees and is available on Banggood. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.